All right, another question on functions, and this time we're going to multiply them. And so take a look at the notation here, g of x times f of x. This notation can look similar but be very different if it says g of f of x like that. That is a different kind of situation. I'll show you that in another video, but just know that if it says g of x, close parentheses, times f of x, then that is simply saying to take the first one, so g of x, and find it up here, g of x equals x plus 1, and substitute g of x with what it's equal to, x plus 1. That is going to get multiplied times f of x. F of x is 3x minus 1. 3x minus 1. Now I'm using parentheses here on purpose because I like to be extra. No, just kidding. So just because if I don't, I'm probably going to mess up. I need to understand and have in my brain that I have to multiply all of x plus 1 times all of 3x minus 1. I can't just, if I had written like x plus 1 times 3x minus 1, I probably would just multiply these together and think that this is my answer. I might even combine like terms and get 4x minus 1. That is the wrong answer. That's way, way off, right? That's not what I want to do. Even if I just put parentheses around the second part, if I just said x plus 1 times 3x minus 1. Well, when I see that, I just want to distribute this part. I would still get the wrong answer because I would be just multiplying here. And I'd still get 4x minus 1, which is interesting. Anyway, still the wrong answer. Okay, so let's do it the correct way. Using parentheses to show our understanding, like show that we get that it's saying all of whatever g of x is times all of whatever f of x is. Okay. So I'm going to distribute the x first. So x times 3x, that's 3x squared, already very different from what I would have gotten the other ways. And x times -1, that's -1x. And then I'll multiply it underneath. For the second one, 1 times 3x is 3x. And 1 times -1 is -1. Okay, so combining like terms, I've got a 3x squared by itself. I've got -1 plus 3, that's 2x. And then I've got nope, those are x terms. And then I've just got the -1 by itself with nothing to combine. So my final answer is 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. So you can see how far away that is from the wrong answers that we would have gotten if we'd messed up. So just a good reminder that we've got to use those parentheses in both to help us to remember, okay, I got to distribute both parts here to get the right answer. I hope that was helpful. I'll see you next time.